Shubor naga Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Hagawai ke Jingjia ke mit jong ke sisa jan ke ladon ke jing petai bom ke thain them yo maulong bat ki pulit ki suba bo ni bom ula bande IED lane improvised explosive device. Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills Rituraj Ravi ula pentip bamata ke mit hagapor kumbash posting ke ladon ke jing petai jan ke syndicate bus stand lani ke jaka yang boss hagathain them yo maulong. Long magani ke jing betai kala long hapo kawe ke jaka bla ke daga tin bat ka bam shim la Pyndonkam da mano halo mentau SP long ba umden satya ke jing tep lagi la don em ke bla min saw ne ke bla du no ela ke jing em ha ke te ke jing ja ha ke ko por long ba namar ke jing betai ke babun na ke Jingjulor kala long be tang hapo kawe ke yeng tin henrei la don gi yet jing jing khang ke bdon marjan ke bla jura lang ka ba kham kong san ka long bu SP la thu ba ke jing to kit ka basdang kapau ba kate gijing betai ke dei namar bom IED shu SP long ba gijing tokit kadang ya banlap shu gijing shisha lor kane gijing ja.
At preliminary inquiry and investigation suggest it to be an explosive lead blast IED. Further investigation under progress, and as and when we get further information we will update you. The most of the damages are confirmed to the tin structure which was not in use, abandoned. And outside of that tin structure, some window panes have been damaged in this adjacent building. Further details we will update with you later. Thank you.
Any injuries, sir?
Till now we have no confirmation on that.